Hey there, Cash App users. Have you encountered the frustrating issue where Cash App won't let you withdraw your money? If so, you're not alone. Many people face this dilemma, but don't worry because we've got you covered. In today's guide, we'll show you how to fix the problem when Cash App won't let you withdraw, ensuring you regain access to your funds quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your balance. First and foremost, make sure that your available balance on Cash App is sufficient for the withdrawal you're attempting. Even though this seems obvious, sometimes a pending transaction or a small fee can reduce your current balance without you realizing. To check your balance, simply open Cash App and look at the top of the screen. Your available funds should be displayed there. Step 2. Verify your linked bank account. Another common issue arises when the bank account linked to your Cash App is not verified. Navigate to your Cash App settings and review the linked bank account section. Ensure that the account details are correct and have been verified successfully. If your bank account isn't verified, follow the prompts to complete the process, which usually involves confirming some micro deposits sent to your account. Step 3. Update Cash App. Software updates often fix bugs or issues that might be causing your withdrawal problems. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for any available updates for Cash App. If an update is available, download and install it to see if the issue is resolved. Having the latest version ensures the app runs smoothly and effectively. Step 4. Resolve any account holds or limitations. If your account has any holds or limitations, it might affect your ability to withdraw funds. Cash App might impose these if they detect suspicious activity or need additional verifications. Check your email or notifications within the app for any communication from Cash App regarding holds. Follow their instructions to resolve these issues, which could involve providing identification or verifying recent transactions. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps resolves the issue and Cash App still won't let you withdraw, it's time to contact Cash App support for help. Access the help feature within the app or visit their website for contact options. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your issue and be prepared to answer questions about your account for security verification. Experiencing a problem where Cash App won't let you withdraw can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need immediate access to your money. By following the steps outlined in this guide, from checking your balances to contacting support, you should be able to resolve the issue, keeping your app updated and your account information accurate to minimize potential withdrawal problems in the future. Remember to remain patient and thorough while working through these steps, and soon your withdrawal issues will be a thing of the past. Happy transacting.